Today we're 3D printing and painting the Scooby Gang, but they've been turned into skeletons. So this is absolutely cool. As soon as I seen this, I was like, I need to download this and 3D print it, and especially in resin 3D printing. So yeah, this is the Scooby-Doo Gang. It is done by 3D Prints for You. You'll find a link and it's free in the description below if you want to go give it a go. And this is their Undead series, and it actually has Scrappy-Doo as well. I decided not to print because I didn't have quite enough room on the bed for Scrappy, but if you do want to print him, he is there. And as you can see, these just look absolutely exceptional. The detail is incredible. I'm curious how they were actually made originally because they almost look like someone made them out of clay, right? They have that kind of visual look to them, but they are really, really cool. And the details are sensational. I think if you actually went for a full color paint job, these would be just beyond amazing. But when I seen these, I was like, I need to 3D print them because they look so good. And it had been a little while since I had the resin 3D printer out. I used it in summer, but I thought, you know what, we're going to break it out and print these off because they're so cool. And I'll also mention that if you're looking to get into resin 3D printing, it stinks, it's toxic, and it's a pain in the ass. So it's not an easy hobby to play around with. So far for me, it's very much just something I do a couple of times a year, but this is exactly why it is cool. So for the final look for these, I went with silver and a red 3D printing base to add on to them. That's where I had my cavity hole, so it was very easy to clean them out once the print was done. And this just looks amazing. These are going to just be cool little Halloween ornaments, and I think they come out great. The silver works great. I was thinking of originally actually doing them in black, but I think the silver brings out all the details, and they look really good. The excellent part about this for resin 3D printing as well is that you don't really have to worry too much about the supports because of the way that they look ragged. Any kind of support holes or pits or anything end up just looking like part of the model at the end of the day. So I think these are really good for resin 3D printing and they're very forgivable. But of course, I could also see you painting these up to be full color and looking really sweet. And yeah, I think for Halloween, these are great. As you can see here, this one ended up being detached from the base. As a result, it was not flat. So I had to go for a little bit more creative 3D printed supports for the bottom of it so they would actually sit flat. But I think either way, they end up looking flipping amazing. And of course, yeah, you've got a little bit of an issue with the red base on the final one there. But other than that, these are sensational. So yeah, this is why resin 3D printing is freaking cool, even if it is a pain in the butt. But there you go, the Undead Scooby-Doo Gang. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time.